The Untold Stories of American History. Ever wondered how the United States became the nation it is today? Uncovering its rich and complex history offers valuable insights into the present and helps us understand the nation's evolving identity. Before European arrival, Native American tribes thrived with diverse cultures and sophisticated societies. Their deep connection to the land and rich traditions laid the foundation for a complex tapestry of heritage. The Age of Exploration marked a pivotal period with Columbus's journey in 1492. This era unleashed a wave of European exploration, forever altering the course of history and the New World. Colonization began with the establishment of the 13 colonies, bringing new challenges and opportunities. These early settlements laid the groundwork for a new society, driven by diverse motivations and shared aspirations. The road to independence was paved with pivotal events, from the Stamp Act to the Boston Tea Party. These moments ignited revolutionary fervor, culminating in the pursuit of freedom from British rule. The creation of the Constitution marked a pivotal moment as framers crafted a document to unify 13 states. The Bill of Rights soon followed, ensuring fundamental freedoms for future generations. The Louisiana Purchase in 1803 doubled the nation's size, embodying the spirit of manifest destiny. Americans ventured westward, seeking new opportunities and reshaping the country's landscape and cultural fabric. The Civil War erupted over deep-seated issues like slavery and states' rights. Key figures like Lincoln and Grant emerged, leading a fractured nation through conflict and into a challenging Reconstruction era. The Industrial Revolution transformed America with innovations like the telegraph and steam engine. Urbanization surged as factories flourished, altering social dynamics and laying the groundwork for modern industrial society. The Progressive Era brought significant reforms, addressing issues like labor rights, women's suffrage, and corruption. Activists campaigned tirelessly, effecting change that reshaped the nation's political and social landscape. During the World Wars, the U.S. emerged as a global power. In WWI, it tipped the scales toward the Allies. WW2 solidified its influence, shaping the post-war world order. In the Civil Rights Movement, figures like Martin Luther King Jr. and Rosa Parks spearheaded efforts for racial equality. Landmark events, such as the Civil Rights Act, marked significant progress in social justice. The Cold War era was marked by intense rivalry between the U.S. and the USSR. This period saw events like the Cuban Missile Crisis and the space race, which heightened global tensions. Contemporary America has experienced rapid technological advancements, from the internet boom to artificial intelligence. Culturally, it continues to evolve, influenced by social movements and a growing emphasis on diversity and inclusion. Influential leaders, such as Abraham Lincoln and Eleanor Roosevelt, have left lasting legacies. Their contributions to American society and governance continue to inspire future generations committed to progress and equality. Contemporary America has experienced transformative changes driven by rapid technological advancements and cultural shifts. Innovations in communication and technology have reshaped everyday life, impacting how Americans work, connect, and engage with the world. Influential leaders and visionaries have left enduring legacies, shaping the nation's path. From civil rights champions to groundbreaking scientists, their contributions continue to inspire and guide future generations toward a more inclusive and innovative society. Reflecting on American history reveals the interconnectedness of past and present. Understanding historical events allows us to appreciate progress and recognize recurring challenges, encouraging thoughtful consideration of how our actions influence the future. History is a powerful teacher, urging us to learn and grow. By examining our past, we can make informed decisions that foster a better future, honoring those who paved the way for progress. Engage with history by sharing your thoughts on significant events that captivate you. Your insights contribute to a vibrant discussion, helping others appreciate the rich tapestry of American history's influence on today. Acknowledge the complexities and nuances of American history, recognizing both triumphs and tribulations. Emphasize learning from past mistakes and achievements to foster a more inclusive, understanding, and forward-thinking society for future generations.